love you. God bless you all. This song takes you to Honda, Maui. Tells a story about the windy roads and the beautiful scenery of Honda. Or something like this. They travel to the eastern side of Maui. They come from far and wide to see the sight, not knowing where they're going on that long and lonesome highway, away from all that nightlife, city life. Quiet. This old place of change since I was king. Friendship, trust, and love, you cannot buy it. Purpose in their lives remains the same. Going to Maui, try the thrill, beauty never ends. Up and down the hills and around the bend. Oh. The old folks say learn the ways of life, understand to go out on your own. I've been around the world, seen those flashing neon lights. Coming back, there's no place like home. Going to Maui, try the thrill, beauty never ends. Going to Maui, up and down the hills and around the bend. The old folks say learn your ways of life. You understand to go out on your own. See it around the world. See those flashing neon lights. And coming back, there's no place like home. Going to Maui, the thrill, beauty never ends. Going to Maui, I'm coming back. Then around the bay, forget it all. Up and down the hills and around the bend. Up and down the hills and around the bend. Mahalo, thank you.